Good morning students. In a previous class we have learned about the decimal numbers, how to change from the rational numbers. Okay, how to change the rational number to decimal number we have learned in the previous class. Today we have learned about the conversion of non-terminating repeating decimals, that means recurring number, is it? Recurring decimals into rational number. Okay, in the previous class we have learned the rational number, how to convert to the decimals we have learnt. Okay, today we are going to learn the non-terminating recurring number or repeating number into the rational numbers. Okay, so repeating or recurring decimals, non-terminating repeating decimals into the rational numbers. Okay, see the first one of the example. Convert the following decimal into the rational numbers. So first one. Okay, so listen. So how to write? Let we have consider the given number be s. Okay, let x equal to 0.6 bar. Okay, it can return us 0.666. So endlessly going, is it? Right. The next one here. How many decimal point after the decimal point after how many digits are there? Only one digit. So you have multiply by 10. Here decimal point after how many digits are there? Only one digit. So we have multiply by 10. So 10x is equal to multiply 0.666, okay, into 10. That is the meaning. Okay, if you want to put the bar of the last one. Okay, so multiply the decimal point, move here. So 6.6666 going. Okay, we will write like this. Okay, need not to write fully. You will write like this because 6 is repeating infinite numbers. Okay, so here 10 yes, the equation number 1. Sorry, this is a equation number 1, this is a equation number 2. Now 2 minus 1, 2 la irundhu 1 enna cheyinuma subtract pannom. Okay, so subtracted 1 from 2, so 10x minus x equal to what is here? 6.6 bar, is it? 6.6 bar. Here 0 point minus 0 point, that is for your understanding. Okay, so subtract, what we get? 6. Here 10x minus x, 9x. So x equal to 6 by 9. So cancel in 3 table, 2 by 3. So that is a rational number. Okay, so non-terminating repeating number converted to the decimal, sorry, converted to the rational number. Okay, see the next one, B problem. 0.35 bar. Okay, solution. let x equal to 0.35. X equal to 0.3. What is the meaning? 0.35, 35, 35. So endlessly going. Okay. And next, after the decimal point, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So you have multiply how many digits? Multiply hundreds. Okay. So here the decimal point after 2 digits are there. So you have multiply by 100. Okay. So one decimal point after 1 digit is there, you should multiply by 10. 2 digits are there, 100. 3 digits are there. How many digits are recurring number? That's also you have see that. Okay. So here 2 digits are recurring numbers, 3, 5. So here multiply 100. Okay. 100x equal to the equation number 1. Here multiply 100. What we get? 35. 35. Is it? Equation number 2. So as usual 2 minus 1, we get 100x minus x equal to 35.5, the recurring number, minus 0.35 as a recurring number. So subtract this value, 35, here 99x, so x equal to 35 by 99. 35 by 99, that's all. Okay. See you next one. So 3 only recurring number. 3 only recurring number. See. .23, here 3 only recurring number. Okay. So first let x equal to 6.23 bar. That is 6.23333. Okay. So yes, equation number 1. Now the decimal point after recurring number is there. So multiply by 10 first. Okay. So 62.3. Okay. Now we got the decimal point after recurring number. Now multiply again by 10. Again by 10. So 10 into 10x equal to what we get? Okay. So 100x is equal to equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now subtracted the equation number 3. Okay. Equation number 3 by 2. Okay. Subtracted 2 from 3. So 100x, because it start from the recurring number in the second step, is it? So first step, the recurring number start from after the 1 digit. So you have considered the second one of the equation. So 100x minus 10x equal to 623.3 bar minus 62.3 bar. So subtract that value. Value cancel, 3, 1, 2. So 12, 6, so 561. Here 90x. So x equal to 561 divided by 90. Divided by 90 is that answer. Okay. And next is D problem. .32 bar, the same method. Okay, so here also consider, let x is equal to 4.32 bar, that is 4.322 endlessly going. Okay, so now multiply the decimal point by 10. So 10x multiply by 10 in the first equation. So equation number 1. So 10 multiply, what we get? 43.2 bar. So it's equation number 2. Now here decimal value after the recurring number. So you will multiply by again 10. So 10x is equal to okay, so 100x is equal to 432.2 recurring number 3. So now the second equation subtracted from 2. Second equation subtracted from 3. So 100x minus 10x equal to 432.2 minus 43.2 bar. So what we get? 389. Here 90x. So x equal to (389 by 90). That's it. Okay. I hope you have understood the concept of conversion of non-terminating repeating decimals into the rational number. Okay. Next one, word problem. Example 32. From a starting point A, Rahul walks 3/4 km east and then 6/7 km west to reach a point C. Where will he be now from the starting point A? Okay, so first we have considered C, A, B. Okay, so first starting point A, Rahul walks 3/4 km east. East, this one is west. East, west. So starting from here to here, which ratio? 3/4 km. Okay, and then 6/7 km west to reach point C. West உடைய பாயிண்ட் சிக்கு ரீச் ஆகிறாங்க இங்கேருந்து ஃப்ரம் தி ஈஸ்ட். ஸோ இப்போ ராகுல் இஸ் இன் பி. ஸோ ஹியர் டு ஹியர், which ratio? 6/7. 6/7. Where will he be now from the starting point A? ஏலேருந்து இப்போ அவன் எவ்வளோ டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்கான் அப்படிங்கிறதான் கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகே ஆமாம். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன் solution. Example 32. Example 32 solution. So Rahul walks from first A to B. A to B is equal to 3 by 4 kilometer. 3 by 4 kilometer. And then B to C, is it? Next east to west. So Rahul walks from B to C in opposite direction, is it? In opposite direction. So minus 6 by 7 kilometer. Minus 6 by 7 kilometer. So Rahul is in C. So the distance from C to A to C. Okay. From distance. Question is A to C only asking, is it? A இலிருந்து starting point இலிருந்து C குள்ள distance என்னன்னு தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So from the distance A to C is equal to 3 by 4. இங்கேருந்து இங்கே வந்துட்டான். So minus 6 by 7. Okay, minus 6 by 7. So opposite direction, so minus. Okay. So 3 by 4 LCM. 4 and 7 LCM is 28. So here multiply by 7 numerator and denominator, minus 6 by 7 into numerator and denominator multiplied by 4. So 21 minus 6, 24 by 28. So minus 3 by 28. Minus 3 by 28 kilometer. Thus Rahul walks 3 by 28 kilometer to the west from A. West from A. Okay. இதில் இருந்து இங்கே வெஸ்ட்டுக்கு போனால் எவ்வளோ கிலோமீட்டர்? 3 by 28 kilometer. Okay. I hope you understood this example. Next example 33. Suman reads 1/3 of the storybook on the first day and 1/4 of the book on the second day. What part of the book is yet to be read by Suman? Okay, so Suman reads 1/3 of the storybook, okay, on the first day, and second day 1/4. So what part of the book is yet to be read by Suman? So எவ்வளோ பார்ட் டோட்டலாக அவனால் ரீட் பண்ணியிருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் ஆட் தீஸ் டூ ரெட்ஸ் values subtracted from the whole book. So subtracted from 1. See the solution. First day, how many part reads? 1/3 part. Okay, and then second day 1/4 part of books, story book. Here write Suman reads on first day, Suman's read on the second day. Okay, so total parts read so far is equal to 1/3 plus 1/4. So what we get? Take the LCM. So LCM is LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. So 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12. So 7 by 12 parts are read so far. Okay. So for remaining, we need the part yet, is it? So remaining part. So the part yet to be read is equal to 1 minus 7 by 12. So what is the value? 12 minus 7 by 12. So 5 by 12 is the answer. 5 by 12. Thus, the part A to be read is equal to 5 by 12. 5 by 12. I hope you have understood the example 33. Now see the exercise problem 3.3. So already complete the first problems. Now move to the second one. Convert the following rational number into the decimal numbers. Into the decimal numbers. First one. So find out the long division method. Divisor is 11 and dividend is 2. So it's not possible. 0 point added 0. So how many times? 1 time. So 11 remaining 9. After added 0. So how many times? 8 times 88. So remaining 2 added 0. 11 9 0 88. So repeat this process. The answer 2 by 11 is equal to 0.1818, endlessly going. Okay, let's see the next one after. G problem. Remaining problems homework. G 26 by 500. 26 by 500. So 26 is equal to, we have using the long division method or any one of the method. Any one of the method. It cancel. We have written in this term by alternate method of equivalent rational number. So 500 is given. So 26 500, the denominator written by 5 into 100. Okay, 5 into 100. Now cancel in the 5 table. This one what we get? How many times? 26. 5 5s are 25. Remaining 1. Okay, so added 0 2 times. The remainder will be 0. So it cancel 5.2. So 5.2 divided by 100. We have right the decimal point, move backward. How many decimal digits? 2 digits, because the denominator value was 100. So 1 2 digits. In this place added 0. So answer is 0.052. This is another one of the method. Here we have using the long division method. Here we are using the alternate method of equivalent rational number with the power of tens. Okay, and next one, H problem. 3 by 125 is given. Okay, 303 by 125 is given. So here the 125, here also we have using the alternate method of the equivalent rational number with the power of 10. So here power of 10 is 3. Okay, so 125 multiplied 4 times, we get the value was 1000. Okay, so 303 by 125 into, you have using any one of the method. Okay, specified the any method, you should follow that method, otherwise you have apply any one of the method. Okay, so 303 by 125, then denominator multiplied by 4, so numerator also multiplied by 4, multiply the 8 times of 122, sorry ma, 125 multiplied by 8 times, we get the 1000. Okay, so denominator value was 1000 and numerator value was 8 3s are 24, again 8 3s are 24. So now we can easy to put the decimal points. So how many digits in the denominator? 3 digits. So start from here 1 2 3, so decimal point 2.424. Okay, so remaining problems are homework. Okay, and then convert the following decimals into the rational numbers. So third one also fully homework. Okay, and fourth one, which of the following decimals can be expressed as a rational numbers? Which are that? The fourth one, which of the following decimal can be expressed as the rational number? So first one is a rational number, is it? 0.66666 is a rational number. Okay, and next one 2172, 0.C, A is 0.666666 is given, and B is 17. Okay, and C So see here the first one, which of the following are the decimal expression as a rational number? So first one is non-terminating recurring number, 6 is repeated, so it's a rational number, is it? It can express as a rational number. And second one also 217, 217, 217, so it's also, it can express as a rational number. But here 40, 50, so it's a irrational number, it's a irrational number. Here 16, the different numbers, not repeating the numbers, is it? So here also the different numbers, so these are not possible, these are the irrational numbers. Okay, so first two only can be expressed the rational number. Okay, so I hope you are understood the today concept, conversion of non-terminating repeating decimals to the rational numbers. Okay, I hope you are understood. I will write the homework on this side. B, C, D, E, F, 3 fully complete the homework, send it to back. Okay, thank you students.